Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the Next.js project and adding a UI library so you can iterate fast. Once done, scaffold a pages/dashboard route and a shared layout component for header and sidebar. Make sure to add a lightweight chart library and configure Tailwind or MUI theme right away. This lets you focus on structure instead of styling later. Also create an API route under pages/API/data to mock responses, so you can build UI against real-shaped data immediately. Next, wire data into the UI. Use SWR or React query to fetch and cache from your API route, and prefer server components for heavy aggregation if using Next.js 13 or newer. Once done, design reusable card, table, and chart components that accept data and loading states via props. Make sure to normalize API responses so components stay consistent. Also implement pagination and lazy loading for large datasets, and connect a simple global state or context for filters and user preferences. Finish by optimizing and deploying. Audit bundle size, memoize heavy components, and compress images. Once done, set environment variables with Next public prefixes for client needs and secure server-only keys, then deploy to Vercel for seamless Next.js support. Make sure to run end-to-end tests for filters and charts. If something breaks, check console network requests and verify the API response shape first. Mismatched fields are the most common issue, and fixing them usually restores component rendering immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.